Dear students, during the recent 7th edition of Pariksha Pe Charcha, our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji emphasized on some simple and practical strategies that could be applied for any subject, like setting small goals, preparing gradually, focusing on writing during the preparatory stage. So likewise, preparing for history exam, you require an organized approach. Here are some tips to help you effectively prepare. Identifying key topics or themes are crucial, which are likely to be covered in the exam. Prioritizing study sessions based on the importance and relevance of each topic. One must engage in active reading, highlighting key points and summarizing information. This helps in better comprehension and retention of the content. Another very well-known method is the ancient memorization technique, the Loki method, which has you construct a memory palace using a building you know well. For example, studying about Harappan town planning and drainage can be easily correlated with the architectural blueprint of your own house. Regularly reviewing the material you have studied to reinforce your memory. Use practice repetition techniques to enhance retention. Also, developing learning aids simultaneously, such as timelines, chart, mind maps, mnemonics, to organize the information and visualize historical events and connections. Well, approach your history exam with a curious mindset and try to understand the content, causes, and consequences of historical events. Use NCERT books and the available CBSE portals for better command over content. By combining these strategies, you will be well prepared to excel in your history exam. Thank you.